channel, the Ponchanos! This evening my dad will cook truffle pasta. Here are the ingredients: fettuccine, olive oil, truffle sauce, mushroom, garlic, onion, parsley, bacon, and parmesan cheese. Let us boil the noodles.
Bubuin po lang natin ito ng mga 5 minutes. Okay, lagay po. Kailangan po natin lagyan ng olive oil yung ating tubig para hindi magdikit-dikit yung... Okay, check na po natin. We're going to check our noodles. Fettuccine. Oops. It's already cooked.
Let's start cooking the sauce.
Ito, heat our pan. Bacon. Okay. Once our bacon is toasted, now we need to set aside. Right. Put it back to the bowl. Right. We need to add a little bit more of olive oil. We need to put our garlic. Next, we need to add our onion. Ooh, smells good. The aroma is very good. Our mushroom. Okay. Guys, once our mushroom is already cooked, we need to add our truffle sauce. Alfredo truffle sauce, okay? So I'm gonna add now in the pan. Okay. We don't need much of seasoning here because this is already what do you call this? Oh my god. Okay guys, we need to taste our cream. So yummy. Put a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Okay.
Now it's time to taste.
Right guys, we need to add our parsley just to balance our taste. Okay, and then we need to add our fried bacon. Alright, and then okay guys, we need to add our parmesan cheese. Alright.
Tasting the dish that my father cooked for me. I hope it's going to be good.
Okay, so excited.
It's good. I like it. Try these things at home. It's actually very good. I'm surprised.